Explain your strategy.
All I did was add the 9 with the 8. I got 17.
Yeah.
Then I added the 1 to the 4. I had a 7 left over, and I got 57.
Okay. And what about for the other question, the subtraction one? How did you solve that one?
I minused the 1 from the 5. Then I took 4 out of the 5, and I got rid of that, so I was at 40, and then I had enough 1 left over, and I got 39.
Okay. Can you think of another way to solve either one of those questions? What if you wanted to check to see if your answer was reasonable, if it made sense? What could you do?
I don't exactly know.
Well, what can we possibly do to see if that answer makes sense? Like the first answer, what did you get? What was your first answer again?
I added the 9 with the 8, and I got 17, and I added the 1 to the 4, and I had a 7 left over, so I had 57.
Okay, so how would you know that 57 at least makes sense as an answer? What could you do?
Well, I think that the strategy and the answer sort of makes sense from the question because you are basically just adding 17 to 40 once you got the 9 and the 8 out of the way.
Okay, so when you do that, add 17 to 40, and what do you get?
You get 57.
So, does that correspond to the other answer that you got?